So, do you know what is Pomodoro Technique? The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed in year 1980. In this technique, we break work into the manageable small chunks or parts, typically 25 minutes in length, called Pomodoros. Let's see how it works. First, you have to set a goal, means what do you want to do? Second, you have to set a timer for 25 minutes. This 25-minute cycle is a one Pomodoro. Third, work intensely. Work fully on the task until the timer goes off, and during it, avoid the distractions and interruptions in it. Fourth, take a short break. When the timer rings, take a short break of 5 minutes. Use this time to relax, stretch, or eat. Then, after that, fifth part, repeat. After the break, set the time for another 25 minutes, the second Pomodoro, and continue the task. The sixth part, long breaks. After completing 3 or 4 Pomodoros, means after doing 3 or 4 cycles, take a big break of around 15 to 30 minutes. Use this time to rest or relax. As an educationist, I always use this technique. The key principles of the Pomodoro technique are: the first one is a time boxing. Working in a fixed time will help you to make the sense of urgency and prevents the burnout. Second benefit, focusing. During each Pomodoro, give your complete attention to the task at the hand without any distraction. 3. Breaks. Short breaks are essential for relaxing and maintaining productivity. Fourth point, incremental progress. Breaking tasks into the small parts promotes a sense of accomplishment and helps to avoid the overwhelming. Fifth point, adaptability. Adjust the duration of Pomodoros and break to suit your needs. You can make it of 25 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes according to your curriculum. The Pomodoro technique helps you to stay disciplined, manage your time effectively. It can be used for many activities. What type of activities? Let's suppose studying, writing, programming, and other tasks that required concentration. If you want to see a one-word thing for Pomodoro technique, it's a concentration. As an educationist, I always adopt and say this thing to the students that use this technique. If you like that video, so just hit the like button and also share it with your friends so that you will never miss the video again. Stay blessed.